Welcome to Beyond Classroom. Today's guest wears many feathers in his cap. He was the first Goan to score 200 against Chogules as a teenager. He's a very well-known Vastu consultant, and his interest in theatre has led him to produce K Sera Sera, which went on to win National Award this year and many international awards. So let's begin. थिएटराची जर्नी तुमची खंय सुरू जाली?
म्हाका थिएटराचो इंट्रस्ट जालो वेन आय वॉज 17 वर्साचो आशिल्लो. तर म्हज्या फ्रेंड तातूंत आशिल्लो, काम करतालो. सो ताणें म्हाका सांगलें, आमची क्रिकेटीची जेन्ना प्रॅक्टीस सोंपली सो इवनिंग तांची रिहर्सल आशिल्ली. तर हांव बरें म्हटलें या म्हटलें, तेंच्या बरोबर गेलो. ताजे बरोबर गेलो पळयतकूच रिहर्सल्स करता करता ऑफकोर्स दे रियलायज देर इज वन पर्सन शॉर्ट, म्हणजे तो एक्टर मेळून आशिल्लो तांकां, धाकलो रोल. सो ते हांव बशिल्लो, तर आय वॉज आस्क्ड तूं करतलो? म्हटलें केन्ना करूं ना. म्हटलें ट्राय कर. आय सेड ओके. सो दॅट्स हाव आय डीड माय फर्स्ट वन एक्ट प्ले. So that is the start of my. I was just 17 years old that time.
I have a lot of children who are interested in acting, and they come up to me and ask me, like, what do I do? I love acting. I take part in small school plays. How do I take this forward?
पहिली म्हणजे every child is a good actor. सगळ्यांच्या भितर ही कला असताच. ओनली थिंग इट नीड्स टू एक्सप्लोर. द बेस्ट टू स्टार्ट इज एट होम. म्हणजे मेन थिंग इज तांकां वाचन दिवपाचें and make them read aloud. It will help them the speech also and diction सुद्धा बरें जातलें तांचें. And they can read anything aloud. And later then they can start doing it by little expressions, like pauses, working pauses, janna te karpak shakta. So this is the first homeschooling should start at home. Homeschooling जावपा जाय पयली. And later then he can join some of the groups. आता children's theatre सुद्धा असता. So they can start going into that. So तातून तांकां कितें जातलें, they will start opening up with that. Okay, they'll start getting confidence. तांच्या एकामेका मदीं तांकां interaction जातलें. So that will get them a confidence about the stage. नाल्यार stage fright आसता. So that will go. So that is the first thing what needs to be done when you are going into the crowd. Interaction, तांच्या बरोबर हें कर.
So what are those skills which make a good actor, in your opinion?
Observation. खंय म्हणजे ऑब्झर्वेशन म्हणजे हांव खंय वता आमी अशें पळयत बसपाची गरज ना कोणाक कॅरेक्टर, म्हणजे कोण मनशांक बी अशें बी. बट एक यू हॅव टू बी लिटल विजिलंट रावपाक जाय की बाबा एक ऑटोमॅटिकली येता. यू कॅनॉट टीच एक्टिंग एज सच. म्हणजे ताजे भितर इल्लें जाय पडटा विच ही ऑर शी नीड्स टू एक्सप्लोर करपाक जाय. तशें मेन म्हणजे ताणें समजा भुरग्यान ऑब्झर्वेशन करून एक इफ ही मेक्स नोट्स ऑफ दॅट कॅरेक्टर, की कदाचित तो कसो चलतालो, कसो उलयतालो, कसो. सो ही कॅन मेक अ होमवर्क ऑफ दॅट. केन्नाय तो उपकार पडटा, ऑर एल्स एटलीस्ट ती उजळणी जाता. इट बिकम्स अ रिव्हिजन फॉर दॅट चाइल्ड टू नो इट.
And you have so many characters just around you.
इट इज कॅरेक्टर्स आर ऑल अराउंड. आमच्या आजूबाजूकूच कितले आहा कॅरेक्टर. सो इट बिकम्स इजियर फॉर काय खंय आनी खंय वचपाची गरज ना. And in fact in the school, acting school, they teach you little technical side of acting. Okay, or else कितें वायट दिसतलें तें शिकयता. एक्टिंग सगळेच करता, पण ऑन द स्टेज और ऑन द स्क्रीन कितें वायट दिसतलें they will tell. and automatically तुका अंदाज येता एक की yes, की the whole picture is तू better नाका तेन्ना अशें हात करता, which is not necessary, you know, so that looks bad. It is.
एक-एकदा तुझा हात तोंडार येता.
हय, थोडे सांगता आसतना तुका हांव सांगून दवरतां, आतां कॅमेरा थंय आहा किंवा ऑडियन्स थंय आहा, तर तुका थंय सांगून दवरता आनी गरज नासता. तुझं एवरीथिंग इज लॉस्ट. म्हणजे तुका एक्सप्रेशन तू कितें दिता पळय एवरीथिंग. सो इट इज मोर लेटर गोज टू व्हेरी टेक्निकल सायड ऑफ इट. बट बिफोर दॅट एज आय सेड की at home, stage is the best form of learning initially, acting.
So as a child, I also went to a school where there was a theatre arts class, and I did theatre arts for 3 years. And it is a practice in Goan schools today that they have a theatre arts class. So what would you advise those teachers, you know, if they find someone who is doing well in acting, or you know?
First of all, the one who is doing good, ताज्यापेक्षा one who is not comfortable, ताका फुडें काडपाचो. Because good जो आसता, because he is ताजी power of absorption is more better maybe. पण जाची सगळ्यांची absorption power same नासतली. So that is the time you can guide the people who are weak. वीक म्हणजे लेस अब्झॉर्प्शन असता प्रत्येकाचे, तर त्यांना तू गाईड हिम प्रॉपरली किंवा ताकाय घे बिकॉज यू नीड को ऍक्टर्स ऑल्सो ऑलवेज. या इन्क्लुझिव्ह दॅट ऍक्टर जो बरो आसा न्ही तो आनीक शार्प जातलो केन्ना when he gets support of the other actors.
And I think this acting, or you know, stage or theater is an art where it is a very it has that group dynamics to it.
Yeah.
And it is not an individual act.
No.
It is a
It's a group act, and in fact this helps the child in fact in his future career also. You get a confidence to face the crowd, how to talk. म्हणजे हजार लोक आसा or presentation which is given nowadays. आता नवीन jobs are, you have to be, your selection is based also on the group discussion. So group discussion then if he is convincing, you know, so that will be your theater or that classes will teach you that.
acting एक झालं. Acting is something that comes in the forefront and every audience watches it. We see the acting part of it. What other things, other aspects of theater that go into making a play come on the stage?
As in जेन्ना play तू define करता, first is the script. आता तरी अशें जाल्यार first is a group. पयलीं आसा कोण, आसा आमी. So then the script. Of course the director is very important, captain of the ship. तो जाय. And then director gives it for reading सगळें. And whoever reads good, who is more expressive for particular type of role or a character, to taka dita. And that's where at least we have been doing that, starting of reading first. Okay, reading, and then coming on to the stage, blocking of the scenes and all. Director does.
Blocking as in how the
scenes,
scene would be
how the scene
picturized.
would be, how the characters would stand. खंयच्यान तो येतलो, एंट्री कशी आसतली, यू नो, दॅट डायरेक्टर टेक्स अ कॉल. डायरेक्टर टेक्स अ कॉल. म्हणजे तातूंत केन्ना केन्ना सेटींग आसतलें, युअर सेट कितें लायला एज पर घर दाखयता. इफ यू शोइन द घर, ओके ह्या घरांतल्यान ह्या दरवाज्यान तो भितर येता, ऑल दॅट थिंग, तो डिटेलिंग ऑफ वॉट दॅट सीन डिमांड्स, तशें जाता.
So how was your experience as a producer for the first time?
Actually we never thought of that आमी प्रोड्यूस करपाचें, फिल्म प्रोड्यूस करपाचें. तो एक स्क्रिप्ट आशिल्लो, म्हजो वेरी गुड फ्रेंड. वी हॅव बीन डुईंग थिएटर फॉर लास्ट 35 years. वी नो ईच अदर वेल. जायती हें केल्या, आय मीन प्लेस केल्या, and we have won an award here, then Bombay. So that friend is Rajiv Shinde. So he is a good writer, screenplay, dialogue, ताणे बरयलें. So then when we thought of making this, I said, let's produce this. because this needs to be. आणि ह्या असो सब्जेक्ट आशिल्लो की there are no songs in that. Okay, no songs. And so कोंकणी फिल्म म्हणजे पयली songs म्हणून येतात, सोंगां बिंगां आसतलीं अशें अशें. पण this story didn't demand that. So it was a risk that अरे असलें प्ले करपाचो, असलो पिक्चर करपाचो which has no songs. But I had a conviction that yes, go Korea. Let's give something different to the Goan audience. Okay, and that's how we started it. By God's grace, it is technically fantastic. We got a good support from Bollywood people. You know, there's a sound designer, Bajirao Mastani, so sound designer, Three Idiot, Piku, Munna Bhai, Parinita Tanegala. So he came as a sound designer. Camera is done by, he stays in Carmona, Hari Nair, he's again National Award winner. Then the editing is done by Neeraj Buralia, who is done editing for Shwas, which went to Oscar, Indian entry, Marathi film. And the music director is from Bengal. So these people came. Of course, tons of support amka melap, on the technical side. We cannot afford their fees. But we told them this is a Konkani film. They said we want to hear the story. Then a story actually we want to do this film.
It was a powerful story.
Yeah, powerful story. I said no problem. So they liked the concept. So that's why these people came on board. And of course later as an actress, Palumi came because she liked the script. So she loved the script, so something different. So she came. Then John De Silva, Prince Jacob, Salil Naik, Leena Pednekar, Suvidha Torgal, Snehal Zog. हे सगळे मागीर कितलेशे म्हणजे we have several actors, Goan actors, which have done fantastic job. Fantastic.
You got all these people together, and I see that a job of a producer is not just, to arrange for the money, but also arrange every aspect of that film. Person wants to become a producer. What are those skills that are required?
Yeah, first he has to understand that whether he wants the money back or not. Because Kogadi picture katta, so money coming back is sadhya tari possible na. Even if it is doing well, not possible. Because the equation zamana. Now, ही कशी उरली खाज असता काडपाची वो इंटरेस्ट असता की ना करूया जशी आम्ही नाटकां करताले पयली प्लेस करताले स्वताच्या बॉल्सांतल्यान पैसे घालून करताले द बजेट वॉज लिटल लेस दॅट टाइम बट नाव द बजेट इज बिगर की कशे कशे ते पैसे फक्त येऊ वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑल्सो कशे येऊ अँड लेट्स मेक समथिंग म्हाका अशें दिशिल्लें लेट्स मेक समथिंग विच इज आउटस्टँडिंग विच विल बी एप्रिशिएटेड not only in Goa, but outside Goa, everywhere. So luckily it clicked. Devadayan, everybody has worked hard. So I think first is, पैसे तुका परते जाय काय ना पयली पैसे परते जाय जाल्यार मागीर तुका वेगळो फॉर्म्युला यू हॅव टू बी प्रिसायज यू हॅव टू बी हें तें म्हणजे एटलिस्ट तितली मुद्दल तरी येवनी म्हणून म्हणटाली आमी मुद्दल तरी येवनी अशें विचार करत जाल्यार देन यू हॅव टू बी प्रॉम्प्ट यू कॅनॉट एंड no way you can cheat audience. बेतच कितें करून कितें थातूर मातूर कितें करून इल्ल्या पयशांनी हाका जमय ताका जमय इट डजंट गो वेल म्हणजे तो ऑडियन्साक यू कॅनॉट टेक फॉर ग्रांटेड म्हणजे कितें इतलो ऑडियन्स येता पयशे घालून येता टायम वेस्ट करून येता आपलो टायम काडून उत्साहान येता की बरें कितें तरी पिक्चर पळयतलो आनी इफ ही इज फिलींग बॅड आनी कितें कितें करता ते अशें म्हणत अशें दॅट ऑडियन्स वील नेवर कम बॅक टू द थिएटर. So तो एक पयली विचार करून यू हॅव टू एज अ प्रोड्युसर यू हॅव टू डेव्हलप युअर ऑडियन्स की फुडें जेन्ना पिक्चर करतलो कसले कोण आहा प्रोड्युसर कोण आहा कोणाचो ग्रुप आहा हें बरें करता.
So the trust also is built through your work.
फर्स्ट आय थिंक लोक म्हणटले प्रोड्युसर म्हणजे ना ते सारकें करपा जाय बाकीचे सगळे जमाव जमी करपा जाय हांव म्हणटा फर्स्ट इज बिल्ड द ट्रस्ट विथ द ऑडियन्स. So very, very important. So if you keep that in mind, so then you know that you have to give some good product. So तशें जालें. And a producer only thing is good organization maybe बांदप सगळ्यांक. letting actors know or technicians know, get the good technicians on board, and then the post production takes certain calls की ना हे केल्यार आनीक बरें जातलें, पयशे मातशे चड पडटले पण रिजल्ट विल बी गुड. सो आय थिंक आय टूक दोज कॉल की बाबा
The decision making that goes in, you know, to put everything in place
या
is a skill of a manager, I would guess.
हय ऍक्च्युली प्रोड्युसर कसो मॅनेजरूच जाता म्हणजे ही कॅन बी अ गुड थिंग्स पुटिंग इन ऑर्डर
Yeah.
ऑल द सेट इन
Organization.
ऑर्गनायझेशन.
I know that you have taken theatre as a hobby, but there are places in India where, you know, this education is given. I would want you to shed some light on, you know, what are the courses available, खंयचे courses बरे आसा.
म्हणजे ॲट द नॅशनल लेवल जेन्ना आमी म्हणटा NSD, National School of Drama, is very good. With all these big actors, Om Puri, Nasruddin Shah, like Anupam Kher, and the cream of, say that, thaychan aayल्या. Because there you get a good exposure, good training, good teachers, and good lot of nice work which is done there. पण ताका थंय पावपाक तुमकां पयलीं तुमचो बेस जाय पडटा. So base again, you have to come back to Goa first to start with. So if you have to have a little formal training about it, you have आमचे कला अकादमीचो कोर्स आसा तो आसा. मागीर विजय कुमार नायक in Hounds training center which is in Ponda. He is passed out from Kala Academy. He is a very dedicated person. So to asa. And these are little known areas here where you can start in Goa. In Bombay you go, you have certain drama institutes asta. They start training you. Now when you want to go and get into film, you have actor prepares by Anupam Kher, magi Subhash Gaisi asa. So there are certain other institutes also which start teaching you that all aspects of the as an actor, director, writer, screenplay writer. So this is how. But base थंय ह्या सगळ्याकडे पावपाक तुमकां बेस तुमकां तुमच्या गोंयान करचेच पडटलें. यू कॅनॉट, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. म्हणजे थंय डायरेक्ट जंप मारपाचो, तुमकां हांगाच तुमी बेस क्रिएट करपाक जाय. धाकल्यापणीच्यान समज बेस क्रिएट जायत, वंडरफूल.
So how old should a child be before he gets into acting?
पहिले हांवें म्हटलें तसो सुरवातेकूच जल्मताकूच म्हणजे ऍटलिस्ट 1 year तरी जेन्ना कळपाक लागता थंयच्यान एक्टिंग सुरू जाता ताजी. आनी आतांची भुरगीं यू कॅन मेक आउट इज मोर, दे आर मोर एक्टिव्ह एंड दे आर एक्टिंग. आनी स्पेशली इफ ही हॅज गॉट अ ग्रँड पॅरंट्स, तांचे कडेन सारकोच म्हणजे तांची एक्टिंग सारकी बहरता. म्हणजे दे आर द गुड.
So there is no age bar when it comes to, you know, starting acting.
Yeah, starting acting.
You can start at any-
म्हटलें न्ही की every person is a born actor. Only thing, channelizing it. Those skills are required. म्हणजे ताका कसो एक्सपोजर मेळटा, कशें एक्सप्रेसिव्ह मेळटा. टीव्ही इज अनदर प्लेस वेर किड्स वॉच, यू नो, एक्टिंग कशी करता. सो दे now some of the kids go on the internet. How to prepare a speech, how to create. So they go on the internet also.
So there are various methods which you can
So
employ.
how you frame yourself into that, where you want to go and how far you want to go, त्याप्रमाणे तुझी वाटचाल सुरू.
So there might be some children who, you know, aren't finding it easy to act, but they want to contribute to theatre. They want to be a part of theatre in some other form. What are those other courses that are available apart from acting?
First is director, writer, screenplay writer, dialogues आहा. मागीर आर्ट डिरेक्टर आमचो गोंयचोच कितलो आमचो आर्ट डिरेक्टर सुशांत तारी. देर आर सेवरल आस्पेक्ट. theater or film is not about only an actor, only actor somewhere, because they are seen in front. But there are makeup artists, there are the choreographers, there are dress designer, okay, amchi dress designer, and there are several aspects when it comes to film. It is camera, DOP, editing, very sound designing. जे म्हटले, yes, it depends on what you want to choose. थोडे no बाबा स्टेजीर acting म्हाका न्ही अशें म्हणटाले, but they can be better director. You know, it is good that they are there because the actors can get a better directors. So it is not only confined to only actors. A varied selection of it, and they are paid well.
What is your take on the Goan theatre fraternity today? How is it in Goa?
There are groups, जसे in Goan competition पहिली सुरू जाता, because there are several competitions which happen, and so people take part in that.
Right from school level there are
पहिली म्हणजे पहिली चढ जाताली, आता मातशे कमी आहे. उत्सवी रंगभूमी म्हणटा, म्हणजे देवळांनी एकांकी स्पर्धा किंवा in the church you will find one act plays or some plays which are done. So things jata, and then there are competition, as I said. So the people take part in that. And also experimental theater also, because I have done a lot of experimental theater. महिन्याक आमी एक एकांकिका करताले, one act play करताले. That's where the more experience, because you can play varied characters, you get scope for, and it is done quickly, more than the big play. Big play takes a little longer. So you have a more play out with the story, different type of story. And मागीर आता फिल्मचे सुरू जाला, फिल्माचे. So there are people who get into it, films काडपाची. So only thing म्हाका अशें दिसता की the films have to be thought first when काडपाचे आसता तेन्ना. थोडे जाण फक्त गव्हर्मेंटाची स्कीम कदाचित मेळटली आमकां, तो विचार करून करत जाल्यार इट विल बी डिफिकल्ट. तोच विचार विच इज नेसेसरी, पण फक्त तो विचार करून हांव म्हजे बेस करतलो आनी अशें कितें काडटलो आनी मागीर तेजे पासून कमयतलो, इट कॅनॉट बी, ही कॅनॉट जस्टिफाय ऑर जावचें ना तशें. ओके, सो फॉर दॅट देर आर पीपल हू आर मेकिंग अ गुड स्टोरी, very serious people who are doing, who have got themselves trained outside.
Any names come to your mind?
आता आमचा director Rajiv Shinde, now successful director. Now there are director who has proved themselves is Rajan Bhai Talak. His films have done really extremely good. Nanesh Moghe, with whom I did Digant, he is very talented director. Then and he knows a lot of aspects about the cinema. And there are several, Badroy who has done Nachya Kupasar, Swapnil Shetkar is there, Jiten Shikerkar is there, Sripad Pai who has done Nirmohan, very close friend of mine. We have been doing Dinesh Bhosle who has done Enemy. अशे कितलेशे आहा, म्हणजे if I miss anybody, I म्हटलं sorry because सटकन लक्षात येना.
So now that you have shed light upon so many aspects of theatre, I'm pretty sure the kids at home, तांच्या मनान एक लड्डू फुटा म्हणटा पळय तशें हें येतलें. But I know for a fact that if a child wants to become an actor today, or if he wants to go into theatre, there are reservations from parents, or there are एक रिलेटिव येता आनी सांगता अरे कितें रे तूं एक्टिंग करता, नाटक करता. What would your advice be to those people, because those people play a very important role in child's life?
अजूनही आता लोकांच्या मनान अशें आसा की बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कॉम्पिटिशन पीपल स्टील फील दॅट ना म्हजो भुरगो इंजिनियर ऑर डॉक्टर ऑर अकाउंट्स CA नाल्यार हातूनच वचपाक जाय, ते एक्टिंग बिक्टिंग तसलें तें कांय तातूंत कांय पोटां भरपाचें ना, असो सर्वसाधारण हें आसता. But now it is little different. It depends on also भुरग्याच्या हातूनच कळटा की what he can make. ताजो interest automatically, because now it is more faster and more expressive kids are, so automatically कळटा की he is going to go on this side. But that he cannot earn money or he cannot that is ते सारखे नाही. Because if he wants to get himself dedicated, then as like engineering karta, that he can do the same course, same type of thing, you know. So
similar.
yes, similar thing. And why Goa? Why India? He can be abroad also.
Yes.
Okay, it is not that he needs to be here. एकदा focus झालो की म्हाका हातूनच करपाक जाय, then जसो इंजिनियरींगचे or मेडिकलाचे आमी मागीर बुकां हें करता, and then we focus, then we make research on that. The same thing can be done. Yeah. And paid handsomely. And he gets a satisfaction because he does what is more important. The parents should understand. Let child do where he enjoys it. म्हाका आतां I come from a business family. Factories, victories, asa, tyo. But suddenly my liking, passion became Vastu, because I came to know something. I started liking it so much, so I pursued that. And by God's grace, I enjoy it and I get paid for it. Both the things. And theatre and cinema was my, again, a well-preserved hobby. And my soul gets satisfied with that, again. So I think I'm enjoying life. Enjoying life is, so it is nice, you know. And समज आता कोण थिएटर करता थंय खंय पावलो ना, म्हणजे ताका दिसत की last minute he changes or interest, but at least he has something which will help him in his future. जसे उदाहरण म्हटले की it will help him to face people, you know, dedicate.
And there are so many of them who have taken theatre alongside other things. Like there are people who have pursued, have become doctors and are actors.
Yeah.
And
Profession here karun, then that person has become something because that was his liking, and he becomes more successful in that because that
where
was
your heart is.
where your heart is. So follow your heart. म्हणजे अशें न्ही की it needs some way where he can have earning to it, okay? But your hobby or your passion can become your profession. Fantastic. That's the best thing to happen to anybody.
Thank you very much, Rajesh. It was very pleasant talking to you, and you have shed light upon many of the aspects of theatre, and I'm pretty sure the kids watching at home, the parents, they would have taken something back, and the children's dreams would find some fruition in the future.
No, thank you so much for giving me opportunity to really interact with the kids and the parents. If they need any advice, म्हणजे म्हज्या कडल्यान कितें जाय advice जाय, so please be free to contact me.
अशेंच आमी फुडल्या आठवड्यान तुमच्या समोर येतले आनी एक गेस्ट घेवन. Till then, keep watching Prudent.